Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making a crisp harmony salad. Asian pears, crunchy chickpeas, and an umami shallot dressing combined to make a terrific salad. First, let's do the chickpeas. In a Pyrex pan, add your well-drained chickpeas, a whole can, and then coat them with olive oil. Mix the spices together and sprinkle over the chickpeas, and mixing them well, and then bake for 20 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Now make the dressing. Mix vinegar, lemon, shallots, and ginger together. Add the zest, salt, and pepper. Whisk in the oil until the dressing emulsifies. Ta-da! You've made the dressing. Now, make your salad. In a salad bowl, add both packages of the well-washed salad greens. I like to use 2 different types of mixed greens. Add the shallot dressing and toss the greens until they're well dressed. Now you have a choice. Either add the Asian pears and chickpeas to the bowl, toss, and serve, or serve the dressed greens onto a salad bowl and then garnish with the pears and chickpeas so they stay on top. That's more picturesque. Either way, voila, this salad is ready to devour.